Namaskar. Welcome to the weekly weather discussion of India Meteorological Department. I am Dr. Anand Kumar Das. I will be today discussing about weather in the past week, as well as we will be talking about the forthcoming weather in coming 2 weeks. Here, these are the weather systems in the past week. Here, two western disturbances. One approached over our northwestern India on 30th, and then it progressed eastward, and 31st it was over North Haryana, and this after that there was another western disturbance on 3rd, which was over North Pakistan, and they, so it also influenced our northwest India. And for the from the fast western disturbance, there is induced circulation over West Rajasthan, and then next day over Haryana. So these are the induced. Then there are also trough from the induced circulation extended towards Gujarat region. So this was the trough situation on 3rd, and this was the trough on 2nd. And then another prominent weather system was the low pressure, which found on 30th over Southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining Equatorial Indian Ocean, which moved little west-northwest direction, and then it recurved towards north-northeast, and on 3rd it was situating over this region. So then on 2nd and 3rd there was also trough extended from the center of the low pressure up to South Karnataka coast. So these are the, and then another cyclone circulation. We have seen that there was answer circulation one day on 2nd over this region. These weather system actually caused the weather over the region, and but main weather actually phenomena is the fog, dense to very dense fog. If we see the distribution of the dense to very dense fog over the north and northwest India and northern plains, here we can see that these are all dots are covering all this region. So, and then if we see the satellite pictures, same thing. Here we can see the shading, green shading is every day there over that region. And so over this part, actually nearly all the days actually we have experienced dense to very dense fog, and then gradually when we go eastward, if you see the eastward actually situation improved as the days passed, and east region we can see that it is clearing up. So over the east region here maybe 2 to 3 days, and this West Bengal and eastern states, actually Odisha, 2 to 3 days or maybe 1 day we have observed dense to very dense fog. And here due to this dense to very dense fog situation, there was also cold day conditions over this region. Here we can see distribution of cold day in different days. So therefore Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, North Rajasthan, and some North Madhya Pradesh, and some parts of North Bihar also experienced cold day conditions. And if we see the rainfall scenario past week, here two different zones we can see the rainfall. Here this zone actually experienced rainfall due to the induced low for the western of the western disturbances, and then this region actually easterly waves and as well as that low pressure system caused the rainfall over here over Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka and Lakshadweep region. And but only 2 days Tamil Nadu experienced heavy rainfall, that is 29th and 30th, and that is also happened extreme southern part of Tamil Nadu. And due to this, what is the weekly situation? Here we can see over this part, although rainfall happened, but it was large deficient. Here we can see also large deficient over interior Karnataka as well as coastal Karnataka and Kerala, and deficient over Tamil Nadu. Only large excesses over Lakshadweep. So, and the northeastern states also large deficient. So this is the rainfall situation over the week. And if we consider the whole season, here we can see that the green settings are actually normal, so 18 subdivisions normal, and then large axis we can see that Rajasthan, Punjab and Jharkhand, actually these three only having large axis. Otherwise here we can see excess is Lakshadweep, Kerala and Bihar and Gangetic West Bengal. So rest part is either deficient or large deficient. So this is the weekly situation, and if we see the number here, we can see this is the week, whole week it is minus 92%. All other east, northeast, northwest, central, south, all are negatives. And here if we see the country as a whole, this is only east and northeast is plus 10. Otherwise we can see the country is minus 9%. Country as a whole minus 9%. And if we see the weather situation here today, it is western disturbance as cyclone circulation lying over that North Haryana, and then another cyclone circulation is there over west UP, and then trough is extending up to North Karnataka, and another that remnant of the low pressure as a cyclone circulation is situating over this region near Lakshadweep here, and then from there the trough is extending up to South Karnataka. So this is the weather of today, and due to that what will be the weather situation for that warning. So red warning are issued over this Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, UP. So that red warning continued for 4th, 5th and 6th. So that is due to actually dense to very dense fog, and the surroundings area over northern India, that is JNK, Himachal, Uttarakhand and Madhya Pradesh and Bihar, we can see they are also having the yellow warning for the fog. And then Odisha and West Bengal also having this yellow shading, and some parts of northeastern state having yellow shading for the fog warning. And the same is continued on 5th, 6th actually it is improved. The yellow warnings are not there. We can see some of the areas are yellow warnings are removed. And if we see the warning on 7th, only the yellow warnings are there over Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. And if we see the rainfall, then rainfall warning is over southern peninsular region and Lakshadweep region. Here we can see the isolated heavy rainfall warning is there, and that continued on 5th. But 6th it had improved only Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Then 7th and 8th only Tamil Nadu is having warning, heavy rainfall. Then if we see the extended forecast of the next 2 weeks for maximum temperature, here temperature above 10 degree in most of the parts, only some northern parts of northwest India we can see that below 10 temperature are there. And if we see the anomaly of the maximum temperature here, week 1 is the largely it is below normal over this whole part, except few pockets over Rajasthan, JNK, Himachal and here Odisha and Chhattisgarh, and then some parts of Arunachal. Here but that situation improved in the second week. Here we can see that the temperature actually increased, maximum temperature and above normal over the north India. Red shadings are coming up, and then the northern plains are also having yellow and orange shadings. So but peninsula still and central India, some parts of that still having below normal maximum temperature. So now if we see the minimum temperature situation, here this is the week 1 scenario, this is the week 2. Here if we see that week 1 it is if we see the anomaly, low temperatures only can be seen. If we see that blue and that shadings those are only over northern parts of northwest India, and that part is also having negative anomaly. And then most of the parts are actually above normal anomaly. We can say red shadings, red or pink shadings, and these are above normal. Here green shadings are, some pockets are also below normal. And but in the second week the situation actually changed so much. Actually, here we can see that most of the country are actually, some parts of the country are below normal, some parts of the country above normal. Here we can see red, pink settings are actually above normal, and green settings are below normal. But if we see that this is within plus to minus 2 to plus 2 from the normal, so therefore it is nearby normal, and only few pockets of Jharkhand, interior Odisha and Chhattisgarh, here we can see the below normal, little more it is settings are coming up. And if we the extended range outlook of the cold wave, if we see, then we can see that Punjab, Haryana, North Rajasthan and some parts of UP, we are getting a red patch, so high probability of cold wave, and then moderate probability we can see surrounding area over Rajasthan, MP and UP. And so this is the week 1 scenario. The week 2 situation improved. Here we can see that moderate probability of cold wave is there, but this is little bit extended over UP compared to first week, but probability is moderate. Now if we summarize, then minimum temperature actually will be rising gradually 2 to 3 degree over east and first half of the week, actually east, and no significant change likely over rest parts of the North India most of the days of the week. There is high probability of occurrence of cold wave that are already seen over that part, Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, and moderate probability surrounding that region. Then cold wave, severe cold wave condition also likely to continue over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh during 4th to 6th, and then Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan 4th, 5th January. And then due to low temperature also there will be a dense to very dense fog situation over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh, East Rajasthan, and they are 4th to 6th January, and then isolated little improvement in the 7th, but there will be dense fog over subsequent 2 days, that means 8th and 9th. Then very dense to very dense fog also likely over few pockets of Rajasthan, West Rajasthan 5th and 6th. Then isolated pockets over 7th January. Bihar also will be experiencing dense to very dense fog on 5th January and dense fog over 6th and 7th. And surrounding the area, there will be some other area over east and northeast. For 1 or 2 days there may be some dense to very dense fog condition. And in week 2 there will be minimum temperature below normal by 2 to 4 degree most parts of east and adjoining central India. There is likely of above normal 1 to 3 degree over most parts of western Himalayan region and Gujarat or near normal rest of the part of the country. But there is a moderate probability, or we have seen that moderate probability of cold wave will be there over Punjab, Haryana, North Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, and north part of Madhya Pradesh and UP. So that is the second day, and dense fog will be there, isolated pockets over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh during some days of the week. This is the second week also. The dense fog situation will be continuing over some region of northwest India. And if we see the rainfall situation, rainfall will be only there in the week 1 over southern peninsular region. This siding is coming up, and this is the anomaly also showing that. But second week that rainfall is disappearing from the whole country, and here only except few parts of extreme south peninsular region, and that anomaly figure is also telling so. And if we summarize that, light to moderate rainfall will be there over that peninsular region, that is South Tamil Nadu, South Kerala and Lakshadweep region. Isolated heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu or Kerala region we may expect, and also some parts of Lakshadweep and coastal Karnataka on 4th, 5th, that's due to the system already there, and south interior Karnataka also 4th January already happened, and light and isolated scattered rainfall over central parts of India, that is Madhya Pradesh and then that may extend eastward towards Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand. Then during first half of the week, because of the approaching western disturbance, which is impacting, which will be impacting the Indian region. So then due to easterly waves, the Telangana and Rayalaseema and coastal Andhra Pradesh may also get light rainfall. So in week 2 there will be no active western disturbance, so therefore a light to moderate scattered rainfall will be there only over southern peninsular region, and therefore this whole country will be more or less all except the southern peninsular region, most of the homogeneous region will be having below normal rainfall situation. And as we issued the red warning, so there will be impact over northwest India and adjoining plains from 5th to 11th December. So there this dense to very dense fog condition will impact transport and aviation sector, power sector, and health conditions of the people. So therefore there will be some diversion of the flights, there will be cancellation of trains, or there will be delay of trains, and then whenever in the roadways there will be some accidents if people are reckless, and therefore and then health situation, whoever is having respiratory problems, their health situation will be worse. So therefore it is requested that all of us will be careful, and whenever we will be driving on road, we have to drive carefully and slowly, and then we have to use fog lights. Then we have to be updated with the railway and flight scenario time to time, so that we should not be in problem on road or out of the home. And then certainly power lines, there will be impact over the power lines, there will be load shedding, tripping of the power lines. So for that we have to be very much careful about the use of the power gadgets, and then we have to take care of our health, so that we should not go out without any necessity. So take care of your health and for this weather situation. For more information, you can visit our websites. We can use our different weather apps, and social media sites are also there. You can get more information. Take care of yourself for the upcoming weeks. Thank you.